So your directions for this say to solve by factoring, correct?
I think so.
You have already solving a quadratic by factoring, just putting together two things that you already know how to do. You already know how to factor quadratic because we did that on our two factoring weeks. So we just know that this 2a squared plus 9a minus 5 we need to turn into two sets of binomials. Your other clue that you are solving this by factoring is that you got this equals 0 here. It has to be set equal to 0 for you to solve it by factoring. So let's factor it. We're thinking about factors of -5 are going to go here, right? The only thing that's going to work for that is a 5 and a 1. I'm going to hold off on my sign yet. On the next part, well, the first term of the binomials are factors of that number. I picked easy ones in the fact that the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2. And I need some a's. If I put my 2 there and my 1a there, can I get to 9? If I foiled that? If I foiled, that would give me a 10a. And that would give me a 1a. And if this was a negative, and that a plus, then I could get to 9. So, your first thing you need to do is factor.
How you get 10? Wait, where you get
2 times 5. Step 1 is factor. Get binomials.
This is not my book.
Your next thing is solve the equation. This is going to go on Edline. I need to go a little faster than maybe you can write. So it'll be on Edline. I know I do. What did we have last? We had 2a minus 1 times a plus 5 equals 0. We're going to set each of, because of the way multiplication works, we can set each of these equal to 0 too. So I'm going to say 2a minus 1 equals 0 and a plus 5 equals 0. I'm going to solve both these equations for a. Over here on the left, if I add 1 to both sides, that'll give me 2a equals 1. I'm going to go ahead and finish this. And then I'll divide by 2, and I would have a equals half. And on the right, if I subtract 5 from both sides, I'd have a equals 5. And these are both solutions.
This should be up on that line.
I gotta put my stuff in place.